I was listening to the late Dr. Miles Monroe today, who was teaching on this passage of scripture and a few others concerning what gets in the way between where you are right now and the future that the Creator has destined for you. And I've been meditating on this verse, this passage of scripture all day today because it reveals this amazing insight between the past mistakes that we've made, the past shame, embarrassment, and guilt that we experienced, and the fear that we often face when daring to step into the future. Daring to step into the future that is not haunted with the past, the shame, the guilt, and the embarrassment and confusion that we once had. And when meditating on this thing, I'm telling you, this particular verse, if you are in a season of being stretched, having your capacity stretched, stepping outside of your comfort zone, facing things that you've never done before, overcoming these thoughts and beliefs that who do you think you are? Man, tonight's word out of Isaiah 54:4, it's so simple that is absolutely profound. That you have the opportunity to choose to forget the things that are behind you so that you can lean into the future without fear. I am definitely looking forward to unpacking this in the Law for Love living room. We meet live Monday nights at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern. If you are able to join us live, you are welcome. If not, you can always catch the replays. They are on a private playlist. So register in the link in the description box to get access to the live or to the replay. But I've been chewing on this one all day and it is so rich. It is so, so rich. You can't help but share it. Please be blessed and encouraged. And I'll leave you with this final question. What have you been so ashamed of and so embarrassed by from your past that you're afraid you would make the same mistake or feel the same type of shame or embarrassment if you dared to bet on yourself? We'll be talking about it more intimately in the Law for Love living room. Be blessed and encouraged. And please, if you're not already a supporter of Law for Love Ministries, I am in full time ministry family. And this is an incredible journey, transitioning from having my identity rooted in the system of ego and power to walking in a space where my destiny is determined by my father. Like, I'm my father's daughter. I don't I don't hold a title. I'm not walking around with a big stick proving who I am by my degrees or my certification. I am literally out here trusting my father. And in order to sustain this work that I've been called to for families, for leaders, and for legacy, I do humbly ask for you to consider making your gift to the Law for Love Living Legacy Charitable Trust, also known as Law for Love Ministries, and to help in this family ministry that I've been called to, that I answered the call to, that I walked away from divorce to do. And I'll be absolutely honest here, it was something I was very afraid of doing. And now that I'm seeing this connection between past shame and guilt and the future that's ahead of us, when we forget our past, I now appreciate on a deeper level what the challenge to ministry outside of legal practice really has been about. And I'm happy to be a witness that when we forget the painful shame of our past and we embrace the love and security of our Father in heaven, what He has planned for us is so much bigger than we could even ever imagine. And it's worth it. It's worth facing the ugly stuff. It's worth getting over yourself. It's worth it. So I'm happy to share those insights tonight in the Law for Love living room. Please register for access to the live or the replays. Replays are posted on Tuesdays. And I'll also put a link to the Law for Love Ministries if you are moved to help us support to bring more education and empowerment to families in the area of conflict resolution, leadership development, and legacy planning. We thank you and appreciate you for your generosity and for your support. Be blessed and encouraged.